Hey everyone, Keith here, Two Guys How To. It's snowing up my way, and I know a lot of you guys talk about renting Bobcats, or you want a skid steer or a tractor for your house. Let me turn this off. And you want to rent one from the rental center. They're easy, and there's probably a million videos online. I'm gonna move the snow real quick. You can see we're getting, it's coming down, but it's very simple. I'm sitting in the cab right here, and this is my view looking out from the unit. And you've got a stick here, and this is a Bobcat ransom design. You got a stick here, so I've got one on the left and one on the right. These two push forward, and I can use my knee on the one. That makes it go forward. So if you pull these two levers back, it's reverse. And then if you want to just go right, you would just push the one left lever up, and that pushes the machine this way. And then if you wanted to go to the left, you would push your right lever up, and that makes the machine go that way. And I'll show you right here. You got some foot pedals down here, just like your left foot in a car, and that's going to make your boom go up and down. And as well as there's a lever on your right, and it pivots forward and backwards, identical to the left, forward and back, and they both do different things. So let's start the machine up. Let's put the safety bar down. You gotta put this lap bar down. There's the lap bar right here. The machine won't work unless that's locked in. It's got a safety right here, and you can see it. It pushes that safety down, and there's one on both sides. If those aren't down, the machine won't work right. And then you've got to hit this press to operate. There's a little green button up there. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's dark. And you press that button, boom, and you hear a click, and she's ready to go. So let's go back to the controls here. I'm gonna push the left control forward. You can see the machine starting to go to the right. So when you go down, your left foot tilts the bucket a little bit, but raises your bucket up and down. That's all it does, is lift things up and down. This right foot pedal here is for your bucket, your dump, and I can show you, you can see it there. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift it up, and you can see this thing, it's moving. So if you wanted to dump your dirt and scoop your dirt, you're gonna use your right foot. If you want to raise the bucket up and down, you're going to use that left foot. And simple motion. You push these controls forward to go forward, both of them will go. Pull them back to go backwards. And up will make you turn one way if you pull back from the other one. So this one's going to go forward, this one's going to go back to do a right turn, this one's going to go forward, the left one's going to be pulled back to the right left turn. So I'm going to hand this to Stella, and she can show you what's up. I'm going to move a little bit of snow, and it's as simple as that. And that's it. It's that easy. Blade needs to be a little bit lower, but I'll adjust it here in a little bit. That's it. Later.
I'm not a pig, I'm a lawyer.